Hi once again. This is part of a series of videos we've made about how we do division here at Zeerust Primary School, and on another video I just used the classic old pencil and paper method of doing long division. Now I want to show the same problem but dealt with by repeated subtraction, particularly version 2. Alright, so our problem is 966 divided by 18. My 18 times table knowledge is poor, to say the least, and I suspect so are a lot of other people. So this would be a challenging question for many people. Okay, so first we build up some facts. Alright. 1 times 18 is 18, of course. 10 times 18 is 180. 100 times 18 is 1800. That's a bit big for us. We're looking for something around the 966 mark. So if we actually halve that, that would actually give us 50 times 18. So half of 1800, of course, is 900. And so we have 50 times 18, which is not a bad place for us to start. So let's start there. Alright, so 966, take away 900, which as we know is 50 times already. So we know it goes at least 50 already. Okay, we're left with a balance of 66. Okay. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, we could work out 5 times 18 by simply halving what we've got here. So that would be 90. It's still a little bit big for our purposes. Maybe we could do a double 18. Maybe that would be more helpful. So 18 plus 18. Is 36. Yeah, that's a pretty useful number. I think we'll try and use that. So we've got 66, take away 36, which we've just worked out is 2 times. Okay, so 6 take away 6 leaves 0, and 6 take away 3 leaves 30. Okay, I think we're probably getting there. I think we might only be able to take away one more. Okay, well, let's make that an easier question. Let's make that 32. We'll add 2 to here to make that 20. And that's a bit easier to deal with. Changing the question, the difference will still be the same. And we are left with 12. And we can't get 18 into there, so we're finished. So 50, 52, 53 times. With a remainder of 12. So the important thing about repeated subtraction is it does build on some just know it things. Hopefully most people will know what happens to a number when you multiply it by 10 or 100, that it gets 10 times bigger or 100 times bigger, and how to halve answers. That gives you different times by facts to use. And so building this little piece of knowledge here on the side helps you work through without all those massive processes. And you immediately get possibly to an answer that might be useful to you. Knowing that it goes about 50 times might be enough of an answer in some occasions. Alright, long division with repeated subtraction.